How to remove background noise in video using Canva. I have recorded one video, but the background noise is too bad for that. So I want to remove the background noise to improve the audio quality. I am using Canva for that. To do this, go to your Canva, then create a new video file over like this. Then go to upload, then upload a video that you recorded or that you want to change the audio. So this is the file I have already uploaded here. Let me add this. Today we will see how to change product image in Shopify. You can listen, there are a lot of background noise in that video. So I want to remove that using Canva. Let's see how to do this. So let me first change the video size. Okay, this looks good. Once it is done, then let me first select the video over here. Then go to audio section. Okay, then you will see one option called enhance voice. So this is the pro features. You need Canva Pro account for that. Let's turn on these features. It will process it. It's 100% done now. You can see it's 100% done. So it will take some time depending upon your video size and quality. So let's wait. So it's done now. Let's listen if the background noise has been removed or not. Today we will see how to change product image in Shopify. So this is the Shopify dashboard. Once you logged in using your, yeah, it looks good. So this is how you can change the background audio quality or background noise using Canva. Again, you just select the video, then go to this audio, then enhance voice section. Thank you.